Namaste. Today I am preparing rice kheer recipe. For this recipe I am using 100 gram of rice. This is broken rice I am using. Then I soaked this rice in water for 15 minutes. Then 500 ml milk. Sugar also I am using 100 gram. Then 2 bay leaves and 1 cardamom also I am using. Then few nuts, this dry fruits I am using, and 1 tablespoon of milk powder. So the next step is I am preparing this kheer in cooker. So first I'll pour this milk, half of the milk I'll pour in cooker. Then half milk I am going to use later. Now I am adding the rice with the milk. So now I'll put the lid and I'm going to cover this and I'm going to cook till 1 whistle. So on medium flame I'm going to cook this. The moment 1 whistle comes, we have to off the gas. So as you can see, after 1 whistle, just remove this lid. So now we have to mash this rice little bit like this. Now I again on the gas. Now I am adding the milk. So now I am adding this sugar also. We have to mix everything. So after adding the sugar, we have to cook it for 3-4 minutes. Now I am cooking this kheer on medium flame. So after 4 minutes, we have to add this milk powder. And mix it nicely. And cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. So in place of milk powder, you can also use Milkmaid. So now you can see this kheer recipe is done. Now you can see this kheer recipe is ready. Now we can add this dry fruits. So friends, if you like the kheer recipe and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you friends. Take care.